Chinese mining crisis in Zimbabwe, the 23rd of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Zimbabwe's natural heritage and livelihoods are increasingly under siege as reports of destructive mining by Chinese-linked companies spread from Mutare's iconic Christmas Pass Mountain to rural farmlands like that of Israel Capindoro. Mutare's Christmas Pass Mountain, long celebrated as the gateway into the eastern city, now bears fresh mining scars. Once covered in thick woodland, the slopes are being gouged open, leaving raw red soil, stripped vegetation, and spoil heaps. Conservationists warn the damage threatens both the telecommunication towers above Hillcrest and the mountain's iconic silhouette. Farai Magawu, director of the Center for Natural Resource Governance, CNRG, confirmed they've been mining along the Christmas Pass range. Someone briefly stopped them last week, but it seems they will not stop. The scars are real. Environmentalists are demanding urgent intervention from the Environmental Management Agency, EMA, including a suspension of mining, a full environmental impact assessment, accountability for illegal operators, and restoration plans. In another shocking case, farmer Israel Capindoro reported that his entire tomato farm and borehole were demolished by Chinese miners. "My field is gone, the borehole is gone. They just came and destroyed everything," Capindoro told CNRG. He alleged that the miners boasted of bribing EMA officials, claiming they could not be stopped. The destruction has left him without water and income, further fueling fears that local communities are being displaced and impoverished while foreign miners profit. Questions demanding answers. ZVAITWA has pressed EMA to urgently clarify. 1. What action has been taken against the miners who destroyed Capindoro's farm? 2. Who the Chinese miners are, and whether they are registered operators. 3. The scale of income generated from such mining operations. 4. How much revenue has been officially reported to the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, RBZ. 5. The taxes paid, if any. 6. Whether fines or sanctions are being imposed. A growing crisis, both the Christmas Pass destruction and the Capindoro farm demolition, highlight the wider crisis of unregulated Chinese mining in Zimbabwe. Conservationists warn that unless immediate action is taken, Zimbabwe risks losing both its environment and community livelihoods, with heritage sites and agricultural land reduced to wastelands. Call to action. Communities, civil society, and policymakers are now urging EMA and government to act decisively before more of Zimbabwe's treasured land is lost forever.